Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
A rooster they can make a good alarm, but all the rooster they make a good alarm, people. See? Yeah, my hope say the rooster they alright still. Alright, good morning. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla day here again. Yeah, I have a bunch of videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now, without any further delay, I want you to listen to some things that a man said in a video. Yeah, more listen to the things that this man said in this video and tell what I think, my people, because the things that the man said in this video really and truly have me thinking. Listen, observe.
My friends, don't kill yourself over women. They will come to your funeral with a different man. It is real life. It happened to me 3 times.
You hear good when the man say, my people. Me never hear nobody dead 3 times before, you know. Me never hear a dead man talk yet. So, me the life, you know, I must joke him, I make. So, me just move on to the next video, my people. Me really and truly have to make you hear that one day, quick and fast. See? Anyways, now my people, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that shows when a female hit at least one police officer from within the country of Jamaica. Now, based on how the female act, viewers and subscribers, I wondered if the female was having some form of emotional problems or mental health issues at the time when the video had been recorded. In a part of the video, you can hear when the female made a loud sound that sounds as if she was screaming. And the police officers who was at the location where the video had been recorded did what they could in order to restrain the female and or to calm her down. But the female was acting certain ways that I think might not be good. You see me, my people? And yes, the video will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. I just do not know exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video will be recorded. I don't know when the video will be recorded. And you can also hear when pepper spray had been mentioned in the video as well, viewers and subscribers. See? But we don't know when or who used pepper spray. See? Anyways, one of the reasons why I present the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
I see camera them because they watch already. Right now, I camera in there.
Jesus! Jesus! And then I put out to it.
Yes, what I tell you? Yes, what she do?
So why they not pepper spray?
Yeah, I didn't know.
No man, she need pepper spray, man.
Yeah, I didn't know. You must put it in my chat.
Officer, relax, relax. Relax. Relax, camera the fire, relax, relax.
Yo, Spotty. Yo.
Yeah, me understand, but camera the party, make you relax. Camera the fire, general. Camera the fire, relax. Go on, man.
Camera the fire, general.
So why they not go far?
No, them can't come over. Why we are carrying on for a long time and then let's have a woman. That's what they call. That's what they call. That's what they call. Come long time with me, you know.
Oh, she need to spend a couple nights in a prison.
My people, you know, me can't help but wonder if the situation would have been a different situation if a man actually punched a police officer. I think the situation might be totally different. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, but that's how it goes still, my people. Anyways, now move to another video. And on a real, my people, I tell you what you think about that situation in that video. See? No! Now, there's a video circulating on social media that shows when Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Dexter was on stage and he was performing. And someone tried to put something on Dexter's head. Now, based on how the person dressed, viewers and subscribers, the person is assumed to be a female. Now, the reason why I say it like that is because the way the world said viewers and subscribers with all of them plastic surgery and certain things were going, I just say a person. You see what I say? I don't mean no disrespect. But anyways, you know, some allegations that they made on social media as to what the person was trying to put on Dexter's head. And for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at this video for yourself. It's not really a long video, but based on some things that you're about to see in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think the person was trying to put on Dexter's head. Observe. All them slack already, eh? She now wear the underwear. She now wear the underwear. She now wear the underwear. May I tell you? Yeah, my people, so what do you think the person was trying to put on Dexter's head? What do you think the person was trying to put on Dexter's head? My people, let me say this, you see? Whether if it was a panty or not, the person on the right to do them kind of things there. I mean, Dexter Daps was on stage, the man a perform. Why would you think it is okay to go on stage while Dexter Daps a perform and do something like that? Eh? So, my people, tell me what you think, you know? You tell me what you think. Me not jump to no conclusion because some allegations have been made saying, at this, the person that try to put on Dexter Daps' head, yeah. Sometimes I have to think, you know. It look yellow though, but sometimes I have to think yellow. Alright, now move on to more videos. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are going to show persons who were either sleeping or they were sleepy while they were at different locations out there in the world. Now, in my point of view, I don't think all of these persons were actually sleeping, but I think that a certain number of them was sleeping. You see, my people? And, you know, if somebody case, I think you could tell me which one of these persons you think might be unconscious, like faint. You see me? But that if I saw the case. But, you know, anyways, my people, look at these videos and tell me which one of these persons you think was sleeping or which one of these persons you think was not sleeping. You understand? Observe. Alright, see first one, yeah? Security guard, listen, man. Watch out. Like somebody frightened him. Go on then. Audio.
What happened, sir?
Oh, one.
What happened?
Yeah.
You good, man?
Good man.
You want to sleep?
Okay, it's me.
Catch you.
Going on?
Yo, you sleep, brother.
Is it too tight, man?
Oh, wait, take off shoes.
Too tight.
Too tight. Yeah, that. Maybe evening. Maybe.
No, very last
Last year for a sleep.
There's a plate.
Fuck up. Feel ashamed still.
Look like man tired, brother. Next one.
This man's sleeping and the light on green. Sleeping in the middle of the highway. Shouldn't that is not really a
This is one I'm really not sure about that one.
Sleeping, knockout.
Just
Sleep
look.
away.
I mean, what if it's something like
Lights
that?
on
Just sleep. I don't know if it's about that one. Next. Okay. Alright, the other person now, and this something some Jamaican that's a buck. Number 5. Buck. Oh, man, you're not really gone now, you're deeper. I said, oh, Like, sir. Alright, this a one, no? This a person in my point of view, not totally. Alright, so you saw me ask my people. Yeah, man. In and out of sleep. Buckers just Jamaicans might say. Baba na weave. Some people say that too. Yeah, man. So, you know, and every day I want to talk about boy, crime shooting, so forth, you know, but sometimes I still have to end up and show certain videos, like a little dramatic video that shows the female and those police officers and so forth, all them things there. You see me as my people? Yeah, man, but sometimes I just want to avoid them kind of things there and keep it blessed on a Sunday, you know? I think, yeah, so I left it still. Yeah, man, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.